So last session, we started on some of the first layers of these business cards. Still have some more stuff to cover up. These are closer to being finished, so we're going to work on those. And you can go either darker or lighter. So I think maybe lighter so that the darks will show up. Just rolling it out. Again, paint is fairly thick here because I want a fair amount of coverage. And I'm just leaving the brayer the way it is. I'll be using more of that. Okay, so then we add maybe some more stencils. Just interesting shapes. And that just takes a little bit of paint off. And then I like this little guy. He's so cute. A few of these here and there. You're not going to get a complete pattern anyway because the cards are so small. So let's see what that looks like. And you don't have to do the whole card at this stage. Notice I've left some areas unprinted and printed later, so let's do it that way. Let's see what rises. Here, there. And you can see the patterns are starting to show up. Maybe do a little more on this one. And that might have gone too far. But that's okay, you can print another layer. So these are so much fun. You just have to try it. And I've got enough for all the ones I didn't do. Now the other thing you can do is either with your finger or a little cloth, if you want to maybe soften some edges and make them blend a little bit more, just wipe them into the area so that you don't have a hard edge line like this one's kind of got a hard edge on it. So you just wipe it back. Fingers are probably the best. And it just blurs the edge a little bit. And the other thing you can do is just add a smidge of water, and then paint starts breaking up. And it becomes sort of watercolory. So let's work with these guys quick. And you see it's much more diffuse. And make sure you leave some of the under layers here and there. That's enough for that one. Still have to cover up the logo a little bit there, which is funny because I'll probably put the logo on the back. All right. That's a good one. Sometimes less is more. That's quite pretty. Soften the edge. Here's another one. With the blue, your yellows are a complement. Your orange, yellow. A little bit more there. Okay. So let's show some of these. Probably not the last layer yet, but like this one, I don't know if I want to work more on that. These ones I probably will. So we'll let it dry and we'll look at it. So there's that session. So I continued for several more layers on the cards. So join me next time as we finish these cards and maybe work with some other materials. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you another time. Bye for now.